Cara from Oak Park says, I'm spending so much time washing my hands these days. How can I make better use of that time and stay in shape? Well, Cara, I figure if it's 20 seconds per hand wash 60 times a day, that is 20 minutes. And you may recall in the 80s, 20 minutes was the recommendation for daily cardio to stay in great shape. So let's look at how we can do that with hand washing. All you need for this exercise is a sink with water and soap, and I recommend you add a little music to this. So let's look at our moves first. Hand washing moves, you've got the squasher, you've got the roller, you can do individual hands, and a nice little swipe. So let's see how that works as an exercise. I'll turn on the music first. All right. At the car wash, here we go. Water, on and wet and off. Add some soap in 3, 2, Cara, here it goes. You got the smasher, the roller, the single hand, the swipe, turn the other direction, the squasher, and circle, and hand, swipe, 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 and jump, go, and roll, and swipe, here we go, and roll, you got it, hand, and swipe, 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 and go. Woo. Do that 20 minutes, you'll be in great shape, and it works with any of your favorite music. So hope that helps for Cara and everybody else.